Here's my dad's Scout type locomotive that wasn't working. It turns out it runs on DC power, and the original DC power pack from Lionel was non-operational. But thankfully, my grandpa had given us a Tyco HO transformer a while back, so now we can run it. It has simple controls, slow, fast, and direction, and it actually works with this. And then to switch direction, you just put this in reverse and then you can go back. And it's very smooth. It's a very smooth runner. The engine is all plastic, but at least it runs now. And yeah, that's the chugging sound of steam Lionel tender. It works. Alright, thanks for watching.